Hi, welcome back to Vishy Unfiltered. Today we are reacting to Badshah's new song Jordan from his Fitoor EP. And this week I have covered two songs of Badshah, one of which is a feature song with Krishna for the song Vibrate from Krishna's Yours Truly. And I've also covered the most requested concept on the channel, which is MUA versus the Raftar Beef Revisit. So if any of y'all have missed those videos, please go and check it out. Without further ado, let's get into the video.
Bad Boys versus Goblins.
The shoe has been a part of every era of hip-hop from 80s boom bap to modern day trap. And in a culture that's as trendy and ever evolving as hip-hop, that's no small feat. Hip-hop has always been the real reason people buy Jordan. Let's break it down.
So if any of y'all who is an NBA fan or who's been following NBA for a very long time, they will know this thing that in the late 1980s, there was a team called the Detroit Pistons, and they were known as the Bad Boys because they did not follow the system and they did not follow any rules, and they gave a tough competition to Michael Jordan, who was in Bulls. So when Badshah is saying that he doesn't take orders and he doesn't follow the rules, he sees himself as the Bad Boys or the Detroit Pistons. And at the same time, he also sees himself as Michael Jordan because he is a trendsetter and he has this Desi swag plus the Western swag. And Badshah also has his own bad boy persona and he also calls himself as Bad Boys. So that is Bad Boys versus the Goblins. So talking about the Goblins, he may be metaphorically calling his online haters, cloud chasers, or his critiques as the goblins over here. How is he low-key? Like, he literally staged a PR stunt, and in that there was a man who slapped Badshah, and all of it was just staged and PR. So how is he low-key? He's literally all over the internet and in the news.
net worth लेकिन low-key कल्ले नहीं सारी की सारी game blow-की हल्के में लेने से बाज नहीं आते मुझे प्राइस सुन के गांड फट जाती मेरे शो की रोली स्वीट और एस्कॉर्ट तीनों presidential छोटा मेरा circle highly influential.
So Rolly is for Rolex, Suite is for hotel suites, and Escorts is for luxury car or luxury services. All of them are exclusive and presidential, so he is flexing his money and power over here.
Sweet or escort, तीनों presidential, छोटा मेरा circle, highly influential, 40 sector 8 में prime residential, बातें सीधी मुंह पे तभी controversial, कभी ना चूकते दिखेंगे, हेटरों के कालजे फूकते दिखेंगे, हर जिन में पानी ज्यादा भर रहा हो तारों पे कपड़ों से सूखते दिखेंगे, पैरों में जॉर्डन दिखेंगे, लौंडे दिल के देसी लेकिन मॉडर्न दिखेंगे, प्यार से चाहे जान मांग ले.
And for anyone who thinks that he's saying model, it's not model, it is modern.
लौंडे दिल के देसी लेकिन मॉडर्न दिखेंगे, प्यार से चाहे जान मांग ले पर लेते ना किसी से भी ऑर्डर दिखेंगे.
I am not sure if Badshah is really good at basketball, like this good, or is it just the editing, like good editing, cuts and everything, but it just makes him look like a professional basketball player here.
प्यार से मांगा ना मिला तो हमने छीन लिया आज है वो रियलिटी जो कल था ड्रीम किया गेम को दिए उतने साल जितनी इनकी है जिस सीन की बात ये करे हमने वो सीन लिया गेम में मुझे किससे सब करेंगे जो 5 साल पहले किया मैंने अब करेंगे ये मेहनत के अलावा ये सब करेंगे रब बनेंगे जो साले सब मरेंगे बड़ों को हाथ जोड़ते दिखेंगे सर जो चढ़े तो सर फोड़ते दिखेंगे सबको पीछे छोड़ते दिखेंगे रूल और रिकॉर्ड दोनों तोड़ते दिखेंगे पैरों में जॉर्डन दिखेंगे लौंडे दिल के देसी लेकिन मॉडर्न दिखेंगे प्यार से चाहे जान मांग ले पर लेते ना किसी से भी ऑर्डर दिखेंगे पैरों में जॉर्डन दिखेंगे लौंडे दिल के देसी लेकिन मॉडर्न दिखेंगे प्यार से चाहे जान मांग ले पर लेते ना किसी से भी ऑर्डर दिखेंगे
These are like those NBA cards that people used to buy with the player's name and their jersey numbers. So the 75 on the top is the jersey number that Badshah was wearing. And over here, he sort of looks like those Myntra models just posing with all of their clothes and everything. And also it's because Myntra has sponsored the video. So of course, he needs to do something for them. Flex Jordan strip. So I feel like all of the outfits that he was wearing on that card, what he was modeling for, they might be all of the Jordan outfits. Now that we have had our talk, so let's just vibe to the song once. Like no talk, just vibes.
मैं लेने से बाज नहीं आते मुझे प्राइस सुन के गांड फट जाती मेरे शो की रोली स्वीट और एस्कॉर्ट तीनों प्रेसिडेंशियल छोटा मेरा सर्कल हाईली इन्फ्लुएंशियल 40 सेक्टर 8 में प्राइम रेजिडेंशियल बातें सीधी मुंह पे तभी कंट्रोवर्शियल कभी ना चूकते दिखेंगे हेटरों के कालजे फूकते दिखेंगे हर जिन में पानी ज्यादा भर रहा हो तारों पे कपड़ों से सूखते दिखेंगे पैरों में जॉर्डन दिखेंगे लौंडे दिल के देसी लेकिन मॉडर्न दिखेंगे प्यार से चाहे जान मांग ले पर लेते ना किसी से भी ऑर्डर दिखेंगे प्यार से मांगा ना मिला तो हमने छीन लिया आज है वो रियलिटी जो कल था ड्रीम किया गेम को दिए उतने साल जितनी इनकी है जिस सीन की बात ये करे हमने वो सीन लिया गेम में मुझे किससे सब करेंगे जो 5 साल पहले किया मैंने अब करेंगे ये मेहनत के अलावा ये सब करेंगे रब बनेंगे जो साले सब मरेंगे बड़ों को हाथ जोड़ते दिखेंगे सर जो चढ़े तो सर फोड़ते दिखेंगे सबको पीछे छोड़ते दिखेंगे रूल और रिकॉर्ड दोनों तोड़ते दिखेंगे पैरों में जॉर्डन दिखेंगे लौंडे दिल के देसी लेकिन मॉडर्न दिखेंगे प्यार से चाहे जान मांग ले पर लेते ना किसी से भी ऑर्डर दिखेंगे पैरों में जॉर्डन दिखेंगे लौंडे दिल के देसी लेकिन मॉडर्न दिखेंगे प्यार से चाहे जान मांग ले पर लेते ना किसी से भी ऑर्डर दिखेंगे
So people following Rohan Karyapa must have already heard the snippet of this song earlier because Rohan had put a trial reel on his Instagram for Badshah. I guess that was sponsored. But nevertheless, talking about the song, I feel like the song had a very chill beat and this was the typical Badshah style song. And I just wish that the song was a bit longer because I feel like the song duration was very short. If it would have been longer, we would have gotten to enjoy the chill beats for a longer duration. Talking about the video, I really like the old school vibes that it's giving. It's very clean and I also like Badshah's drip. Talking about how the video had a storytelling in it, it goes like bad boys versus the goblin. Bad boy here is for Badshah. So I like how they've showed that Badshah overcomes his goblins or like wins over his goblins. That is his online haters, critiques and the cloud chasers. So that was a good storytelling for me. I also like Badshah's drip in the whole video. And talking about his drip, Anyone who's been following Badshah on Instagram or even in the news knows that he recently visited the Paris Fashion Week, where he was dressed in homes, and I liked all of the outfits that he was wearing, the bags that he carried off homes, and it was a great flex from him. As per my opinion, I really think that the song was decent. I enjoyed the chill beats and everything, but I wished for it to be longer. Also, this is not my favorite song by Badshah. I've heard better songs from him, so this is just a mid song, but obviously I would be listening to this every time that I wear my Jordans next. So that is it for today's video. If you've enjoyed the video, like and share the video. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on my next videos. Until then, peace out.